At KC Water Damage Restoration, we'll get you dried out and back to normal in no time. In business since 1999, we serve both residential and commercial clients in the greater Kansas City area.
I'm not very good, or I'm not very handy with home repairs. I did not know what to do. I woke up at 5 in the morning to this water damage. It had been going for probably 8 hours or so and was still going. So I opened the computer, Googled water damage repair, and I saw a bunch of places come up. This was the one nearest the top that definitely had the best reviews by far. So I just kind of took a gamble. I didn't know what to do, but I ended up going with Patrick and his team, and I am so happy that I did.
Not everyone offers emergency service, but we do. 24 hours a day, 6 days a week.
I called probably 15 contractors that night at 1:30 or 2 o'clock in the morning. Patrick was the only one that picked up the phone. So I said, hey, can you work? He said, yes. He was there within 20 minutes.
Our list of services include water damage restoration, emergency water cleanup, sewage removal, structural repairs, flood, fire, and mold restoration. When you need emergency water damage restoration, there's no time to waste. We understand the headaches and frustrations that flooding can bring. As water damage experts, we come to the rescue and take immediate action to restore your carpet or flooring to its original texture and color. We have a reputation for reliability, great work, and excellent customer service.
I would highly recommend Patrick and Chrissy because they're very dependable, they're honest, they'll do anything to satisfy you and make you happy.
Patrick was really on top of it. I mean, anytime that I needed something, he was immediately responsive. And even when I didn't know I needed something, he would say, hey, John, you need to do this, or hey, John, what about this? So he really seemed to know everything that was going on. Great customer service, very, very, very proactive, but also very, very responsive.
All our services are guaranteed, and our highly qualified technicians stand ready to help you. Call now.